Okay, so this is a 2007 Chevy Silverado 5.3, and the problem that I was having has to do with my lights. My high beams, they will stay on. So I'll show you guys. So if I turn on my lights, my high beams are on. So if I activate my high beams, they will go off. You can see. So it should be the other way around. And then if I turn left, my high beams will turn off. So I was reading online, and a lot of people were saying, oh, check the fuses, it might be a bad fuse, check a relay, check everything that has to do with the lights or whatever. But based on my knowledge, I knew it couldn't be a fuse because they work fine, you know, like high beams, low beams, they work good. So it couldn't be a fuse because they're working fine. So what I did is this. I have another truck over there. It's a 2007 Chevy Silverado. You can see it over there. So that's a 2007. This is a 2007. Same thing. That one's a 4.8. This is a 5.3. Same thing. Same motor. You know, like V8, whatever. So what I did is this. Based on my knowledge, I knew it couldn't be a fuse or a relay. So what I did is this turn switch, this assembly from that truck, I took it off and I put it here. And the one in this truck, I took it off and I put it on that truck. And originally, that truck was having the problem with the light, but now it doesn't have it anymore. After I swapped the switches, that truck doesn't have it anymore. This truck has a problem now. So I know for a fact, I know 100% sure this is the problem. So I already ordered a new one from Amazon. It was like $40. I'm supposed to get it in the mail tomorrow. But I knew it was that, but today I wanted to be 100% sure that that was the problem. So I did this. I swapped the switches and I was right. It's this switch. That truck doesn't have the problem anymore. This truck has it. So the way that you fix this, it has the covers. So I just put the top one off and the bottom off, and they come off. There's like a little clip right here, just pull it out. And there's two bolts, one right here and the one that goes right there. It's a T25. So just take off the top cover, the bottom cover, the clip, and the two bolts, disconnect it and put the new one in, and that should fix your high beams problem. I hope that helps someone out there.